When we talk about being prepared, it's all about giving yourself the best options if unexpected situations arise. Potassium iodide tablets, specifically at the 130mg dosage, are recognized as the appropriate strength to help protect your thyroid in certain emergency situations. Having the right strength on hand can make it easier to act quickly and correctly if ever needed. It's an important part of readiness kits, and today I'll walk you through some of the top options available right now that offer long shelf life and dependable quality. Whether you're building a personal kit or equipping your family, choosing wisely can bring real peace of mind. All the product links are listed below in the description to make things easy for you. Let's dive right in. First up, we have Nature's Fusion's Potassium Iodide 130mg. This one is a strong starting point because it delivers exactly what you need without any unnecessary extras. Each tablet gives you the full 130mg, and they've kept the ingredient list refreshingly simple. What I really appreciate about Nature's Fusions is how compact the bottle is, perfect for slipping into an emergency bag or storing in a discreet spot at home. Plus, the simplicity means fewer variables to worry about when you just need a dependable option. One thing to keep in mind is that the labeling is pretty minimal, so if you're someone who likes detailed instructions right on the packaging, you might prefer another option later on. Nature's Fusions works best if you're looking for a clean, no-nonsense choice to cover basic preparedness without overcomplicating your kit. Now, if you value having that extra sense of professional-grade readiness, Thyroid Potassium Iodide 130mg might catch your eye. This brand puts a clear emphasis on pharmaceutical quality presentation, and the sturdy bottle and detailed label make a reassuring first impression. The tablets are designed for rapid absorption, which could be beneficial when timing matters. It's easy to picture this being part of a hospital emergency kit simply because it looks and feels that professional. Compared to Nature's Fusions, Thyroid feels a bit more clinical, which might offer peace of mind for those who prefer a product that looks and feels closer to hospital grade. However, its bulkier bottle makes it slightly less convenient for ultra-compact storage. If your goal is to have something that feels truly official, Thyroid could be the best fit for your emergency plan. Looking at Life Extension Potassium Iodide 130mg, you immediately notice the difference in their attention to longevity. Life Extension has built a reputation around purity and reliability, and this potassium iodide option reflects that perfectly. The tablets are manufactured to maintain stability for extended periods, which makes them ideal if you're aiming to build a long-term emergency supply. Choosing a product with an extended shelf life can help minimize the need for frequent replacements, saving time and money. One highlight here is their thorough third-party testing, providing transparency about what's inside every bottle. Unlike Thyroid, which emphasizes medical-grade presentation, Life Extension focuses more on science-backed stability. It's the right pick if you want something you can store away and trust to be ready when needed without second-guessing quality down the road. If you're balancing a larger family kit or simply want to maximize value, Healthfare Potassium Iodide 130mg makes a lot of sense. Healthfare keeps their prices accessible while still delivering full 130mg potency with clean ingredients. Their packaging is straightforward, and the tablets are small enough to fit into compact emergency organizers. This makes them a smart pick if you're setting up multiple kits in different locations, like cars, offices, or backpacks. However, the design could feel a little plain if you're someone who prefers more detailed dosing instructions right on the bottle. Picture this: you're building a kit for your home, your car, and your workplace all at once. Healthfare makes it affordable to stock up without having to compromise on key essentials. It's especially practical for those who want solid coverage without overspending. Shifting gears to VitaBod Potassium Iodide 130mg, this one really shines for portability. If you envision needing an ultra-lightweight kit you can grab and go, VitaBod's slimmer, lighter bottle design is a big advantage. Their tablets are coated for easier swallowing, which can make a real difference if stress levels are high. A little detail like that can save valuable time and help reduce discomfort in a tense moment. The only minor downside is that you get slightly fewer tablets compared to some other brands like Healthfare, but the convenience factor more than makes up for it if mobility is your top priority. Imagine you're traveling frequently or need a small emergency kit for your kids' backpacks. VitaBod offers a great fit for that kind of flexible, on-the-move readiness. For those who want an even higher level of ease during emergencies, Potassium Iodide 130mg steps things up. Waylo's clear, easy-to-read labels and convenient blister-packed tablets mean you won't waste a second wondering how to use them. This feature could be especially useful when quick decision-making is critical. It's all about having what you need, when you need it, without second-guessing yourself under pressure. Compared to VitaBod, which focuses on portability, Waylo is more about organized accessibility. Blister packs are also fantastic if you want to split up tablets across multiple kits without worrying about resealing bottles. If clarity and instant usability are your biggest priorities, Waylo is one of the most user-friendly options available. And last but certainly not least, number 1 nutrition potassium. Iodide 130 mg lives up to its name by offering one of the most balanced options on the list. Their tablets are easy to swallow, have a dependable shelf life, and the brand offers clear quality documentation, adding an extra layer of reassurance. Having access to clear batch testing information can be a big plus when you want to double-check product reliability. Imagine you're putting together a kit for a mixed group, different ages, different needs. Number 1. Nutrition covers the bases well, offering something straightforward enough for beginners while maintaining enough quality to satisfy more experienced preppers. Compared to Health Fair's budget-focused approach, number 1 nutrition gives you a little more polish without a significant bump in cost. When deciding which potassium iodide supplement fits your needs, it really comes down to asking a few key questions. First, how important is portability versus quantity? If you need lightweight options, VitaBod is a smart move, but if you're stocking a larger family kit, Health Fair might serve you better. Second, do you value simple, clean labeling, or do you want highly detailed packaging that spells everything out? For ultra-clear labeling and ready-to-go dosing, Waylo makes a lot of sense. Third, are you thinking short-term backup or long-term security? Life extension is an ideal choice for those building a kit they can confidently store away for years. It's also worth thinking about personal comfort. If swallowing large tablets is a concern, VitaBod's coated tablets make that experience much easier. If professional-grade packaging gives you extra confidence, ThyroShield delivers that look and feel better than most. And if you want something that balances quality and affordability without sacrificing trust, number 1 nutrition hits a real sweet spot. Taking a few minutes now to choose the right product can mean a lot less stress later when it matters most. A good potassium iodide supplement is one of those items you hope you'll never need, but having it ready can make a world of difference when the situation calls for it. Picking the right one means thinking not just about quality, but about how it fits into your overall emergency plan. Whether you need a high-capacity bottle for a large household or a slim portable option for quick getaways, there's a product on this list that fits your setup perfectly. Having options that match your specific situation is one of the best ways to stay prepared without overcomplicating your kit. Remember, all of the product links are listed in the description below, so you can easily check out the current details and availability. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you never miss more smart, practical reviews like this. Thanks for watching, and here's to staying prepared and confident, no matter what comes your way.